Thank you. Sticker. On TV. Thank you.
Another one. There we go.
Give it up, girl. Give it up, girl. You got a sticker. You got a sticker.
All right. I've now had 2 beers and starting a third one shortly.
There it is. Got a sticker. Everybody loves a sticker.
Hey, Little John, Little John.
Sticker. Sticker. Everybody love a sticker. Stickers. Stickers. Sticker. Got a sticker. That is your stickers. You're on TV, you're giving up for the camera. You got a sticker. Thank you. You got a sticker. Here we go. You got a sticker. You got a sticker. Yes, she's so perfect. Give it up for the camera. I told Ross, I said, if Ross would have put up a fucking, like a fucking coupon or something, hey, they would put a fucking coupon on this shit.
Yeah, it would be fucking like.
Hey, your mom's up here somewhere. Look, John, put that mic out. You got a sticker, you're on TV. Oh, there it is, you got a sticker, you're on TV. I got it. You got a sticker.
Oh, whoops.
You got a sticker.
Hey, that's your ex, right?
Where?
Right there, purple glasses.
Can't see. Oh, you got a sticker.
Teresa.
This is going to be in front of God's. You got a sticker. Smile, you're on TV. No. Hey, you want to come pedal for a minute?
Hey, Teresa, how's it going? Small freaking world.
I'm like, you just tell him it's a sticker.
Y'all having fun?
Small world here.
I know, right?
Hey, best advertisement.
See you later, Kevin.
Smile, you're on TV. You get a sticker. That's right. Badge of honor.
Stick it on your dad's car.
I don't know if that's something you want to say.
I know it is. It's got the joke. I don't know what. Should I refrain from that one? I like it because it's a good jest, but at the same time, if they do it, well, that might piss off the parent. That pissed me off. That totally pissed me off. My kid stuck something on my car.
You're on TV. What better right? Hey, I told you Shelly needs to get a phone. Yeah, I gotta get up. Work. Hey! Get a sticker. Hey, look. You get rid of cameras, worth something. You're on TV, get a sticker. Oh, you're on TV, get a sticker. Look, there you go. You're on TV, get a sticker. There it is.
Hey, John. Remember, that thing is a magic wand.
You're on TV, get a
It's
sticker.
like they don't know what it is. Yeah, there you go.
You're on TV, get a sticker. Give it up for the camera. Give me a sticker.
I'm gonna stick one of these on my squatty potty.
Oh! It's a sticker.
Oh, yeah.
pick it up. Let's pick it up.
Yeah. All right, come on. Man, that thing's a magic wand. You can manipulate people and you're doing all kinds of crazy stuff with a boom mic, John.
Smile, you on TV. Get a sticker, get a sticker.
Okay. Is it?
Oh, there it is.
I swear to God, this is gonna poke me in the eye at some point, but all worth it. Oh, yeah, let me get some more out of that.
Get the sticker. Your hand is up.
Oh shit. Okay, yeah, we're good. Okay, here. Here's a big old pile.
It's like they come, they grab the whole fucking stack out of my hand. I'm like, nah.
Yeah.
Fucking stick up on the ground. That's it. Smile, you on TV, get a sticker. Get a sticker. Get a sticker.
Stickers. AOC Community Media.
Get a sticker, you on TV. Put it on that tape.
Let's go!
Put it on the tape.
Oh.
There it is. Y'all on TV, get a sticker.
Hey John,
Sticker, and you
go grab that mic.
You get a sticker.
Make them scream. Tell them they're on TV.
I know, they
Right
hard
there,
to
right
hear.
there.
They'll be cursing my
Mic
name.
over
Like,
there,
that
look.
dude gave me that
Gotta
sticker.
scream,
It's
gotta
hard to
scream,
hear.
gotta scream. There we go. Yeah, he's got the mic. He's getting, there we go. Excellent work, John.
Stickers. Blowing all the stickers away.
We're back, our Johnston.
Thank you for the weekend. I love
That's that boxing in your mama's room. Ask her about it. She knows what it is. What's up? Y'all give it up for the camera. You on TV? Oh, you all famous now. You all famous. Get a sticker. You on TV? Pass them out. You on TV? Get a sticker.
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to hit you in the eye.
There you go. Oh, you on TV? Get a sticker. Get a sticker. All right, let's roll. All right, come on out. Hey, what the chanson? Hey, you on TV? Get a sticker. You on TV? Get a sticker. Hey, on TV, get a sticker.
Move.
Hey, Gary. There it is. You're on TV, get a sticker. Get a sticker, get a sticker. Get a sticker, get a sticker. You're on TV.
All right, kids. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. Oh, go again. Here we go. AOC Community Media.
Get a sticker, you on TV? You want a sticker? Boom, there it goes. You on TV? Get a sticker. You on TV? Get a sticker. Oh, you on TV? What you got going? Oh, it's going good. Good. On TV, get a sticker.
Oh.
Here, Al. Look, she can hand them out all day.
Thank you, sir.
Hand them out. Oh, she's got lunch. Okay, cool. Y'all TV? You get a sticker. Now you on TV? Oh, you're too pretty to not be on TV, girl. Give it up.
Oh, rubber duckies.
Hey, you on TV?
Oh, yeah.
On TV. Get a sticker.
Oh. Here, take these, give it to like 5 of your best friends, all right? Okay. There you go. There you go.
Tell them they're a sticker. So you can put that on your chest tag.
How many miles do we have to walk?
All the way down to Cajun Dome.
Where's that at?
It's at Bass University.
Bob and Nessa's house.